are you doing, Mr. Pereira?
I'm contemplating on the facts of life. Why are we here?
Because we're on vacation. That's the answer to your question.
Can I get the camera now?
Fine.
I want to do it.
Still
You suck
recording.
at this. I'm gonna clean it. My wife walking. You showing this to your sister?
Yeah. Oh, no, Paul. I'm just,
Okay. There's probably like about... Give it about a minute of tape right now. You don't want to show your sister.
Really? Wow, Paul. Wow.
It is kind of funny.
This is why I don't trust you with the camera.
Well, actually, not your sister, your mom, I meant.
Oh, my mom, yeah, because my mom knows absolutely nothing about sex or anything, right?
Well, cut it out. I just had breakfast.
She knows more than
Stop! I just had breakfast. I don't want to have this conversation.
Oh, it's so soft. We need to get a bottle with sand.
I know. I haven't forgotten. I gotta give something so I can show to Bruno and to Lewis. So.
For what? Oh, it's really low. Look at the reefs.
I know. That's not what I'm talking about. What I'm talking about is like, because there's something I gotta show Bruno and Lewis, so I am gonna be perverted for about 2 seconds.
Really? I'm gonna go around.
I had to. I gotta show them that. Don't go in there. No, because we gotta go back inside. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Hey, I understand.
Don't do it. Don't do it. You're doing it. You're still gonna do it.
Talk to me like you talk
You're
to Zeus.
still gonna do it.
Come on.
So you're sorry.
No.
Say you're sorry.
No.
Say you're sorry.
Oh, let me see.
No.
And they have all sorts of fishies.
Oh crap. Damn, it is low.
Yeah, it is really low.
That's what she
Probably
said.
why there's not a lot of people here today, because you can't really swim in here. Really only supposed to float, but